belt, the youngest to do it at 19. 84 to 88 before the drugs and all the snakes. Leeches plenty fakes before that had all 5 belts on his waist. 34 and 0, 30 knockouts, faces got mashed to pace. Rest in peace Jim Jacobs, custom motto, dedicate this flow. Once he got inside the ring, became clear that he was the king. Back then stood like Alexander, now the division is dead. Triple G, Canelo, smaller guys watching those fights instead. Rap a couple years, making millions, then I will build a champion. Grab him younger than 13, I'll train him just like us, you see. Fuck a training camp, we training every single fucking day. Now your life is boxing, ain't nothing else coming in the way. Give him money, bitches, jewels, no drugs, he will follow the rules. Made a millionaire, the simpler champion, murdering these fools. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Building up his confidence, you're the greatest to ever do it. 8-hour workout schooling, but still I'm gonna put him through it. Getting it, eviscerate, damage every build, lacerate. Concentrate a left hook back and then a hook that devastate. Dr. Frankenstein built a monster, see the glory of mine. Greater than a star, a true champion, promise the kid'll shine. Chosen by the gods, Anthony Joshua, simply just a fraud. Exodus, I lead my champion like I had the golden rod. Bringing back the 90s, plan to open up a school of champions. Fuck all the contenders, pretenders, got wolves, I'm raising mavericks. Every blow make a move faster, screaming out that look fantastic. Murder in the ring, better bring a priest, heard the boy is Catholic. In competition, had he chosen not to disrespect. Listen to me, tie break every fucking rib that I select. No mercy for enemies, boom corpses, murder those that flee. Get an evil pleasure when I cause them pain and agony. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was like the harbinger of death. Tyson was the greatest, he was Alexander in the flesh. Tyson fresh into his prime was dono não tem disposição, né? Fazer o quê? Fazer o quê aqui, ó? Olha aqui, ó. Arregou, não baixou não, botou mal esportivo e mesmo assim não baixou. Olha lá, com 2 sentados, levanta aí, levanta, vai, levanta. Tem que levantar, tem que levantar. Ih, 4 dedos, velho. Caralho, é foda, né? Tamo junto.
goes down. When I'm in the club, bitch, it going down. Shout it, think it full, hand down, hands up, pull it down.
What, yeah. Could check for me.